Good day and welcome to DDM Chat. I am Information and Education Manager Chrystall Kanyuck-Abel. I'm here today with my DDM colleague, Mr. Jacob Adolphus. We're going to be talking about one particular tool in our efforts to be ready and stay informed, which is our smart radios. Jacob, to start us off, tell us, what is a smart radio?
All right. Well, just right in front of here, in the middle of us, we have one of our smart radio units. And a smart radio is similar to a traditional transistor type radio. Right? It plays audio programming for whichever station that you're locked into. And these radios, these smart radios, they're also linked to our DDM emergency communication network. This means that whenever there's an emergency and the Department of Disaster Management sends out an emergency alert, the radio will get the alert and tell us what is happening in that for the emergency. So for example, if there's a tsunami approaching the territory, we will send out an alert saying tsunami approaching, head for higher ground.
Okay, sounds very useful. Not only am I getting an alert, but I'm also getting some safety instructions right here on the unit.
Yes.
Where in the territory are these units located?
Well, we have approximately 100 of these units located throughout the entire territory, from Anegada to Jos Van Dyke. All our schools meaning from the daycare centers to our colleges. We also have at our port of entry. We also have at some of our clinics have radios as well. And for those of our private companies who saw the importance of having some of these smart radios, they contacted us and purchased for themselves. And so we also have some of these in the private companies.
Okay, and I know that one of your duties here with the department is installing these radios. Talk us through the installation process.
All right. Now this is very simple. Now, when you look at the device, on the device you would see we have the display screen, the on and off button, select button, minus and plus, and then we have some other buttons. We also have an indicator light just on the right hand side. Now once that light is red, it tells us that the radio is not connecting to the station as it should. All right. We also have on the display screen a tenor indicator signal that tells us when the strength of the station is very good. Right? So that would blink if it's not connected properly. The red light would show if it's not connected properly. Now once it's connected properly, the indicator would stay solid, and the red light will turn green. That tells us that the radio is connected properly to the station that we set it to.
Okay, so one way I can check if I'm connected is by utilizing my display lights. How else might I know that the smart radio is working?
All right. Now, even though with the installation, right, when we come, we would look for the best location in your space to install a radio, which most of the time is very close to a window. That gives us very good connectivity with the station that we want to set the radio to. So once this radio is installed in that location, then we are asking the schools or whoever the radios were installed to leave it there. In that way, we know that the radio is functioning at its full capacity in that location. Now, in order for you to know the radio is working, the fourth Friday of every month, when the Department of Disaster Management conducts our multi-hazard system tests, this radio will go off. You will hear a very loud beep. You will also see a message display. So on that fourth Friday, because it's our system test, you will see this is only a test. The Department of Disaster Management is conducting their monthly system test. All right, and as I said earlier, if it goes off very loud, other than a fourth Friday, then you know something is happening. Check your screen to make sure that you understand the message that is being sent before you can put your disaster plan or emergency plan in place.
Okay, and So what you're saying is basically I can turn it on, I can turn it off, I can tune into a different radio station, but I need to leave it put where you install it.
Yes. Now, even if you turn it off, and once it's plugged in, once it's connected to the power, you will get the emergency message, and you will get the alert to wake you from your sleep.
Okay, so it's got that safety built in. Last question: if I want to purchase one of these units, can I do that?
Yes, you can. You can contact the Department of Disaster Management, and we will arrange for you to get your unit, and we will come and install it for you. Now, one last thing before we conclude is that sometimes, based on your location or the location of the establishment, it may be a little difficult for this little antenna to connect to the radio station properly. So there may be time when we would need to install an external antenna.
Okay, so I might, if I'm purchasing one of these for my private business, I might need to be ready to invest in some supplementary gear to make sure it works properly.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for sharing all this information.
Sure, you're welcome.
And thanks to everyone who's watching. We hope that you're doing your part to be ready. And if you want some more information or want to connect with us, we're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or you can visit bviddm.com. Thank you.